If your mouth is wide open right now, you're probably yawning. And I'm about to tell you why. So, yawning, we all do it, but why? Believe it or not, yawning helps cool down our brain and boost alertness. It's like giving your brain a refreshing splash of water when it's getting a bit too warm. But here's the fun part. Yawns are totally contagious. Just seeing someone yawn or even thinking about yawning can make you do it too. I bet you're fighting one right now, aren't you? Go ahead, let it out. So the next time you catch yourself in a yawning chain reaction, remember, it's your brain's way of staying cool and alert. Did you yawn while watching this? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts.